what you guys are expecting me to see. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not going to say that. Okay. Okay guys, today I'm here again to show you how to make beautiful things and very easily too. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own birthday cake in the microwave. Yes, it's going to be baked in the microwave and frosted, and it's literally going to take you about 10 minutes, give or take. It is amazing. It's the best chocolate cake you've ever had. Yes. So if you're in quarantine and like it is your birthday or it's almost your birthday like me, and you want to bake your own cake, this is perfect for you, especially if you like chocolate cake. Say all you're going to need is some Oreo cookies, some milk, and some chocolates. You're going to melt it. You need some dark chocolate and some white chocolate. So I'm going to show you how that goes. You need basically 10 minutes, guys. It is very easy. Even if you're 2 years old, you can make this. Okay. If you want to see how that goes, just keep watching. Today, we are going to make some Oreo cookies. Yes. We are going to need this. And I bought 2 dark chocolates as well as a white chocolate. And you're going to need a bowl. We're going to make it in this bowl. See, this is where we're going to make it in. And then we are going to mix it in this bowl. So guys, for this tutorial you're going to need about 16 pieces of Oreo cookies. If you want your cake to be bigger, you can double that, which would be about 32 pieces. That's around like 3 packs of Oreos, yeah. And you're going to use almost double the time in the microwave, so take note of that. So you're going to smash the cookies and make sure like they are in tiny particles and pour them in a bowl. So it's better if you scoop out the things inside with a spoon, because you know you already mashed it up. A lot of it is sticking to the walls of the plastic paper. So you're going to mash it even more in the bowl with a wooden spoon, or if you have omorogun, that's turning stick for making amala if you're Nigerian. Okay, so to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, and then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, or if you have baking powder. Note, like I added too much for mine, so it had a funny taste at the end of the day. So if you're adding that, you're supposed to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda. You can use either. And then a tablespoon of oil, and then at first 8 tablespoons of milk. Which means if you're using 18, if you're doubling this recipe, you're going to use 16 tablespoons of milk. To each cookie, you're going to use, to each sandwich cookie, you're going to use 1 tablespoon of milk. And then you're going to stir it really well until it becomes, the point is, at this point, you want to make it really mashy. And then once you're at that point, you can add 3 more tablespoons of milk, or 6 if you're doubling the recipe. I hope you get me. And then you stir it really well. The trick to this is to stir it really well so that all the cookies can be really mashed up and be, you know, mushy and stuff. So you're going to stir this part really well, and then we are going to prep our bowl for baking. For the bowl for baking, you can use a glass bowl, yeah, or you can use any glass bowl you have. Yeah, it doesn't have to be transparent or anything. Most of these bowls are safe in the microwave. And then you're going to pour some oil inside and rub it around, and then dust it with some flour. That's what I have done here. And then we're going to pour our batter, our Oreo chocolate batter, inside it and just spread it around and put it in the microwave. What you want to do is leave it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then once it comes out, you're going to see if it is like bouncy in the middle, then it is ready. In this case, it is still a little mushy in the middle, so we're going to put it back in the microwave for around 1 minute. So the total cooking time for this was 3 minutes. So if you're doubling this recipe, you're going to need between 5 to 6 minutes in the microwave. So now that our cake is clean and our toothpick comes out clean, yeah, in every part of the cake, we're going to put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes while we make our chocolate glaze. So for this, you're going to need 100 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of white chocolate. And to the 100 grams, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. And to the 50 grams, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And then you are going to stir. You don't want to burn your chocolate in the microwave. You just melt it for around 30 seconds. And then stir it really well. You're going to do the same thing for the white chocolate as well. So you can, that's how we're going to make our white and dark chocolate glaze. I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, like, you're going to spend just around $3 for this cake, or even less, yeah, even less. If you want the cake to be taller, all you have to do is double the recipe and it will be taller. If you want it to be even taller, then triple the recipe. Okay, so you're going to stir that really well and then keep that at one side. And then we are going to try to glaze our cake. So what I'm going to do is bring the cake out of the fridge and then turn it over on top of a board, or you can use a plate if you have a plate at home. Try to use a knife to scrape the sides so like it comes out easily, and then turn it over on top of a board. And on the board or on the plate you're using, just put some chocolate on it so that your cake can stick. I guess at this point my camera stopped cameraing for some reason because my battery was low and I didn't know. So the rest of the things I did, I couldn't like capture it. So I decided to show you guys how to glaze the cake again, even though I already glazed it. So what you want to do is pour the dark chocolate on top and spread it all around, and then try to drizzle the white chocolate on it. Like spread the dark chocolate first and then drizzle the white chocolate on it, and then we're going to use a toothpick to form like a pattern on top of it. And that was all I did. It wasn't hard at all. I wish I showed you guys from the start, but my camera stopped videoing and I didn't know, like it was just too annoying and I couldn't start all over. So make these stripes on top and it makes the cake look really nice. So we're going to transfer our cake to a neater board so it can be more presentable, and that's all. Like it is so easy. Now you have yourself a birthday cake during quarantine that you can eat all by yourself. It was so delicious, guys. It had a slight aftertaste because I added about half a teaspoon of baking soda. So if you're doing this for this recipe, you need just a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. I hope that is clear, like, but it was delicious, like. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please like this video. Please like it. Thank you.